The point sources of pollutants in surface water and groundwater are found in a plume that has the highest concentration of pollutant near the source, such as at the end of a pipe or an underground injection system, and they diminishes the concentration when moving far away. Various types of point source include uh, the commercial, industrial, from agriculture, and from municipal point source. So we can see what are the waste from commercial and industrial business. They include pollutants such as solvents, petroleum products such as oil and gasoline, or heavy metals which are discharged to the water. Then the point source from agriculture include the wastewater treatment lagoons, the animal feeding operations, animal waste treatment lagoons, storage, handling, mixing, and cleaning areas of pesticides, fertilizers, and petroleum. Also, the herbicides, insecticides, all sprayed to the plants for the better growth of plants. All may fall into the water ultimately. Then the municipal point sources include wastewater treatment plants, landfills, utility stations, motor pools, and fleet maintenance facilities. For all these activities, hazardous materials may be included in the raw material, but in some cases, the wastewater or the waste from the sources are treated and then discharged to the water. Now, moving to non point sources. Non point source pollution occurs as water moves across the land or through the ground and picks up natural and human made pollutants, which, when deposited in lakes, rivers, wetlands, coastal waters, and even groundwater. Now, that is also something important in the case of water pollution from non point sources. Non point sources means they does not stop at a particular point. It continues throughout, and it picks up the all certain types of waste or pollutants. Now, before the pollutants are discharged to the water, the industries in the points as we have seen, industrial disposals, the industries have to get permission, prior permission, and then only discharge the hazardous pollutants. Okay, that was a point I missed in the previous slide regarding the discharge of waste to water. Proper permission should be granted, and then only industries can dispose it to the water. Then I can see the most common non-point source pollutants are excess fertilizers, herbicides, insecticides, oil, grease, and toxic chemicals, sediments, nutrients, toxics, salts, acid drainage, bacteria, and nutrients. So sediments can degrade water quality by contaminating the drinking water supplies or silting in ground for fish. Then bacteria and nutrients. The bacteria include microorganisms, nitrogen, and nutrients includes the nitrogen and phosphorus. They are common non-point source pollutants which occurs from the agricultural livestock areas and also the residential pet wastes. They are found in areas where high density of septic system or where the septic systems are faulty or not maintained properly. Then also the non-point source include the Areas where the crops are grown, irrigation and rainfall carry such particles, soil particles, which include pesticides, fertilizers, herbicides, and they contaminate the surface water and groundwater. Other pollutants from non-point source include salt from irrigation practices or road de-icing and acid drainage from abandoned mines.